I'm Dr. Sahil Sangvi, a hip and knee joint replacement surgeon at Sancheti Hospital, Pune. And today, the 20th of October, is World Osteoporosis Day. So what is osteoporosis? Osteoporosis is a condition where the bones of your body become extremely weak and fragile, which causes them to break easily. The problem with osteoporosis is that it is known as a silent disease. And this is because many a times patients are not aware that they suffer from osteoporosis till they actually have a fracture which is caused by a very small slip and fall injury or a trivial trauma, as we call it, or a small impact which causes their bones to fracture, which is because their bones are already weak due to osteoporosis. There are certain risk factors associated with osteoporosis. It is commonly seen in the age group above 45 to 50, where 1 in 3 women and 1 in 5 men suffer from this condition. It is more commonly seen in women due to the hormonal changes that take place in their body after menopause. Taking certain medications like those for thyroid disorders and antacids, which are taken to reduce acidity in the body, cause osteoporosis as well. For prevention of osteoporosis, it's important to maintain a well-balanced and nutritious diet. You must have adequate intake of calcium and vitamin D, avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, and maintain regular exercise. A common myth amongst people is that only calcium is required to strengthen your bones. But this is wrong, because without adequate vitamin D in your body, calcium cannot be absorbed. So to strengthen your bones, you need calcium, vitamin D, and in addition, certain nutrients like magnesium and phosphorus. For diagnosis of osteoporosis, we use a DEXA scan, which assesses the strength of the bones in your body, and according to your result, your doctor will prescribe you certain medications meant to strengthen your bones in addition to supplements. So the take-home message is that osteoporosis is easily preventable. You must maintain a good diet with adequate intake of nutrients and vitamins, regularly exercise, avoid the mentioned risk factors, and this will lead you to a healthy body and strong bones. Thank you.